Okay. 2 days ago, he had opened his desk to put his lunch in. But instead of the pencil box, tissue box, and box he expected to see, a cloud swirled in the space. At its center was a dull, pulsing red glow. So, here, students, 2 days ago, what happened? When Parker opened his desk, he wanted to put the lunch inside. So, he wanted to put the lunch inside his desk. What he saw that he could not see pencil box, tissue box, or books. And instead of that, he saw a cloud swirled. So meaning of swirled is moving around with spinning motion. So moving in twisting way. So he could see a cloud. Pulsing means blinking. Okay. The meaning of pulsing is blinking. So at the center he could see a blinking red glow. He shut the desk and looked around to see if anyone else had noticed. So when he saw this, he was very shocked, and suddenly he opened his desk and then he shut his desk. He closed it. Why he closed his desk? Because he could not believe what he saw, and he wanted to make sure that anyone had not noticed. An hour later, the dusty swell in his desk had contracted to a bright spot in the middle. So after an hour, that dusk it was contracted to a bright spot. He cautiously moved his hand towards it. So cautiously means carefully. So he carefully moved his hand towards it. At first he felt only the heat, but when he got within a few inches, the skin on his palm began to sting, like the flesh was pulling away. He snatched his hand back and then tried a pencil. When the point moved close enough, the pencil tugged towards the sun. It then snapped out of his fingers into the tiny light brightening. It's slightly in the process. So when this Parker saw the white glow, and he thought that white glow looked like a sun. So what he did? He wanted to touch it. So he put the hand in his desk. He could feel the heat. So when he was putting the hand, he can feel the heat. And he felt something was biting or hurting him. So he just pulled his hand back and then wanted to touch the white glow with the help of pencil. So with the help of he touched the box. When he moved a pencil close to a bright glow, he thought that pencil was stuck towards the sun. It was attracted towards the sun, and then it slipped from his finger. Now the sun was large as a golf ball when Parker rolled a marble across his desk. Its path would curve towards the sun within sometimes circling several times before resting exactly about it. So slowly and slowly, that bright and larger, now the sun is large as a golf ball. So now the sun is as large as golf ball. So that was the size of the sun inside his desk. So he rolled a marble across his desk. It curves towards the sun. Parker, Mr. Earl said, your reading group is waiting for you in the back of the class. His 3 reading partners sat on the mats, their books on their laps. Parker pushed away from his desk and joined them. So here students, Parker friends. So teacher is telling Parker, Mr. Earl said. So teacher is telling your reading group is waiting. So you are reading, three friends, you can see three friends. So three friends are waiting there. The reading group is waiting and they have sat on the mats, their books on their laps, and you can see their books on their laps. Parker pushed away from his desk and joined them. So, where is your book? Mr. Earl said. His eyebrows contracted into a single line above his eyes. So, Mr. Earl, that is the teacher, was asking, where is your book? So, the Parker was getting irritated and he don't know where the book was also. So, from the next class, we will be reading towards the next few paragraphs. So, did he went with his friends to read, or what he was playing with the sun itself? So that we will be discussing in the next class. For today's, this is the end of the explanation. So next we will be doing in the next class. So thank you, students.